games on your PC, we need to install some gaming components. Number star 1, install gaming services. Open Microsoft Store, search for gaming services, click install or update, wait for the installation to finish, restart your PC, launch Minecraft again. Number 2, update the Xbox app. Open Microsoft Store, click library, select get updates, update the Xbox app, restart the Xbox app, try launching Minecraft. Number 3, sign out and back into Xbox app. Open the Xbox app, click your profile picture, select sign out, close the Xbox app, reopen it, sign back into your Microsoft account, launch Minecraft. Launch number 4, repair gaming services. Open settings, go to apps, installed apps, find gaming services, click advanced options, select repair, restart your PC, check if the issue is fixed. 5, reset gaming services. Open settings, apps, select gaming services, open advanced options, click reset, confirm the action, restart Windows, launch Minecraft. Number 6, repair Microsoft Store. Open settings, go to apps, installed apps, select Microsoft Store, click advanced options, choose repair, reopen Microsoft Store. Number 7, clear Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows R, type wsreset.exe, press enter, wait for Microsoft Store to open automatically, restart your computer, try launching Minecraft again. Now to 8, reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run get app x package microsoft.gaming services, remove app x package -losers, restart your PC, open Xbox app, install gaming services when prompted, launch Minecraft. Number 9, install pending Windows updates. Open settings, go to Windows Update, click check for updates, install all available updates, restart your PC, test Minecraft again. 10, reinstall Minecraft Launcher. Open settings, apps, uninstall Minecraft Launcher, restart your PC, reinstall Minecraft Launcher from Microsoft Store, sign into your account, launch the game. Bonus fix, open command prompt as administrator, run sfc/scanow. After it completes, run DSM online, clean up image, restore health, restart your PC, launch Minecraft again. These solutions can fix the to play games on your PC. We need to install some gaming components error in Minecraft caused by missing gaming services, Xbox app issues, Microsoft Store corruption, or damaged Windows system files.